Alright, good day everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kasaligan Vlogs. And today I'll be teaching you the topic all about intercept form, analytic geometry. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the moment that I'll be teaching you all about intercept form. So we have here intercept form. So this is the formula given in the intercept form, which is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So this is one of the standard forms in finding the equation of a straight line. So how did we come up with x over a plus y over b is equal to 1 as the formula? So we have here, so the concept behind this is I'll be illustrating to you. For example, we have here, uh, this is the line here. Okay, so we have here, since this is the point here and the point here, we will name this one. It passes through the y-intercept, which is, this is our 0b and this is our a0. Since it passes through this part, so we could create the passes through the x and the y-intercept, the y and x-intercept rather, so we could form two-point form. By the use of two-point form, y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. We could find the intercept form here. So the point here is 0b and a0. So let us name this one as our x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So y minus, or y sub 1 is b, is equal to y sub 2 is 0 minus b over a minus 0 times x minus, which is 0. Alright, so y minus b is equal to negative b over a times x minus 0, that is x only. Alright, so we have here cross multiply, so we have a y minus b is equal to negative bx here. So ay minus ab is equal to negative bx. So we have here, transpose this one, we have ay plus bx is equal to ab. So divide all terms by ab. So they have divide all terms by ab here, ab, and divide all terms by ab. So the remaining here is, we have y over b, and this is plus x over a is equal to 1, or x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So now we have the intercept form. Again, intercept form, which lines passes through the x and the y-intercept. Alright, so we have here the first problem. Find the general equation of the line with x-intercept of 5 and y-intercept of 2. So first is x-intercept here 5. So let us have x-intercept, which is 5 here, and the y-intercept of 2. Okay, so we have to connect the lines, the two dots here, so it forms a line. So this is the line that we're going to get the equation. Okay, so we have x over a plus y over b equals 1. What is our a? 2 and b is equal to 5. So x over a, which is 2, plus y over 5 is equal to 1. So the LCD of this part is 10. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So this is 5x. And this would become plus, this is 2y. I rather the x-intercept is 5 and the y-intercept is 2 rather. So this is 5 and 2. This is 2x and 5y. But again, so the x-intercept is 5 rather and the y-intercept is 2. So therefore x over 5 and y over 2. So take the LCD, this is 10. 10 divided by 5, 2x, and 10 divided by 2, 5, then 5y is equal to 1. So 2x plus 5y over 10 equals 1. I just write here. So 2x plus 5y equals cross multiply, we have 10. So 2x plus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the general equation of the line with x-intercept of 5 and y-intercept of 2. So this is the equation 2x plus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's proceed with number 2. Find the equation of the line if the line passes through 2, 2 and the x-intercept is twice the y-intercept. So we have here, there are two solutions that I will be giving here today. So first is, since x-intercept is twice the y-intercept, so we have here A is twice the y-intercept. So you have 2b. So therefore, we have to say that a is being twice with the y-intercept. So we have here the formula x over a plus y over b equals 1. And rather it passes through 2 to later, I'll be using this 1 in the equation. So x over, what is the value for our a? Our a now is 2b plus y over b equals 1. So take the LCD, we have 2b. Okay, so 2b divided by 2b, that is equal to 1. This is x. And this is 2b divided by b, that's equal to 2. Then this is 2y equals 1. Since it passes through the point 2, 2, so we have to equate here this equation by 2, 2. So you have x plus 2y over 2b equals 1 to get the value for our b here. So it passes 2 plus 2 times 2 over 2b equals 1. Cross multiply, we have 2 times 2, that 2 plus 4, this is 6, is equal to, cross multiply, we have 2b. So our b is equal to divide 2, that is equal to 3. So therefore, we have now the b, but what is our a? Our a is twice the b, which is 3. So our a is equal to 6. So x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Our x over a is 6 plus y over b, which is 3, is equal to 1. So this is the form now in the intercept form. So we have to find the equation in a general form. So we have here the LCD is 6. So therefore this is x plus divide 3, 2 times y, 2y equals 1. So cross multiply, we have x plus 2y is equal to 6. So x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the equation in a standard, no, in a general form. Okay, so another way of solving this part is like this. So since the equation of the line passes through 2, 2 and twice the y-intercept. Okay, so we have here our x-intercept is equal to, since we have here x and 0, so therefore we have here 2x and 0. our y-intercept is, we have 0 and x. Okay, so let us name this one as our x. So same variable, okay, x. So we have here our equation in getting the slope is x minus 0 over 0 minus 2x. So therefore we have negative, no, x over negative 2x, that is equal to negative 1 half. So we have now the slope of negative 1 half, and it passes through the point 2 and 2. So we have the slope and the point, so we'll make use of y minus 2 is equal to negative 1 half x minus 2. So we have here cross multiply 2, y minus 2 is equal to negative x plus 2. Alright, so negative x plus 2. So 2y minus 4 is equal to negative x plus 2. So we have it transposed here. So x plus 2y minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore, x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so that's it. We could solve like this, but this is recommended because the topic that I am discussing here today is all about x-intercept and the intercept form. So since we are using the intercept form formula, so this is highly recommended. But this is just an alternate solution, another way of solving for number 2. Alright, so let's proceed now with number 3. Find the equation of the line if the line passes through 3, 2, forming the axis triangle area 12. So it passes through 3, 2 here and forming area of 12. So let's have first this part. Okay, another equation. Okay, and this part. So it forms an area, rather. It forms here triangle. Okay, it forms, but it passes through 3, 2. Okay, it forms an area of 12. This is area 12. Okay. Since the area in finding the triangles A is equal to 1/2 base times height, so what is our base here? Area is equal to 1/2. The base is RA here. This is RA and this is RB. So A and B. So we have here the area of 12 is equal to 1/2 AB. So we have here cross multiply 24 is equal to AB. So the value for A is equal to 24 over B. So this is the value for A. So it passes through 3, 2. So therefore by the use of the formula x over A plus y over B is equal to 1. And it passes through 3, 2. So we have here 3 over our A is 24 over B. Plus our y is 2 over it passes through, which is our b here, equals 1. Alright, so next we have to take the reciprocal of this part. So therefore, take the reciprocal. We have this will become 3b over 24 plus 2 over b equals 1. Okay, to take the LCD, which is, we could simplify still. So this is 8. So our LCD is 8b. 8 and b. So 8b, this is b squared. Okay, 8b divided by 8. B times b, b squared. And this is plus 16 equals 1. So cross multiply. So b squared plus 16 equals 8b. So we have to simplify. So b squared minus 8b plus 16 is equal to 0. So we have to factor. The factor of this one is b minus 4 and b minus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore the value for our b is equal to 4. So if now we have the value for our a is equal to 24 over 4, that is equal to 6. So this is, the a is 6 until here, and the b is 4 here. So x over a plus y over b equals 1. So x over 6 plus y over 4 equals 1. So the LCD of this one is 12. So we have here 12 divided by 6, that is 2x, and plus 3y equals 1. So cross multiply, we have 2x plus 3y equals 12. So therefore 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line if the line passes through 3, 2, and forming with the axis triangle of area 12. 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. And that's the problem. So that's all about this intercept form. So we have here, try this. Please solve this one religiously because I will not take the board exam. You're going to take the board exam. So find the equation of the line through 6, negative 3 and whose intercept add to 10. And find the equation of the line with the sum of intercepts is 5 and slope is 3. And number 3, find the equation of the line with the slope negative 1/4 and forms with the coordinate axis a triangle of area 10 square units. So I hope everyone you take this problem, answer it religiously. And I hope everyone you learned something today. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel Kasaligan Vlogs and share to everyone or to your friends out there who has a subject all about analytic geometry or the straight line. So thank you so much for listening everyone, and God bless.